Let's see what are the reasons your Apple Pencil Pro wasn't charged. So the first and foremost thing is make sure your iPad have enough battery. If it is below 10% or something like that, maybe it won't charge. So make sure your iPad have enough battery. Then try to charge. Definitely it will work. And the second thing is make sure your iPad Bluetooth is turned on. So to verify that, you need to come here and turn on the Bluetooth. And the other way you can is directly go to Bluetooth settings and your Apple Pencil Pro. Make sure is connected. If it shows disconnected, you just place your Apple Pencil Pro over here and then it will be connect like this. Then try to charge and it will be charged. The thing is you need to turn on Bluetooth and try it. And the third and main reason is if your Apple Pencil Pro inbuilt battery was run out. I mean, if its life ends, it won't charge. Probably this is the basic thing on any electronic devices, even your phone or iPad too. If the battery capacity or cycles are reached, it won't going to charge. So obviously we need to replace it. But the thing is, do we can change the Apple Pencil Pro battery? If you know, comment below.